Free Range Industries presents a weird short story by Frankie Boots, A Common Bird, now available in paperback booklet. America's most uncelebrated and unpublished writer weaves a provocative tale of primal revelation in this coming-of-age thriller. The Yort Times called it Free Range and From the Heart. It was a proud member of Frank's Book Club in 2021. Each copy is individually embossed and numbered to ensure authenticity and guarantee a lifetime of reading pleasure for your entire family. A Common Bird is a weird short story by Frankie Boots. Subscribe today at patreon.com/FrankieBoots for stories, koozies, new music, old music, stickers, videos, comics, merch, love, and all kinds of other shit. American Express, MasterCard, Visa, Discover, accepted 30-day money-back guarantee, shipping and handling not included. See website for details. Get yourself a Cadillac and a guitar.